Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring one of Alfred Wainwright's celebrated fells, Raven Crag, in the Lake District. Raven Crag may be modest in height, but its steep cliffs and breathtaking views make it a must visit for any of our outdoor enthusiasts. Join us as we take you through the winding woodland paths and rugged ascents, all leading to the stunning summit that offers panoramic vistas over the valley below. Let's dive into this exciting adventure. Well, good morning everybody. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. We left home at 5:30 this morning and we are doing Ravens Crag up in Cumbria. Looking forward to it. It's about 4 miles but with some stunning views, and then we're going to go and stop at Langdale for a couple of nights, do a couple of walks, etc. So I'll be doing a couple of videos this weekend so that you can see where we are and what we're doing. We have the Hobbit with us, who is just there in the back of the car. We've brought the little car with us today. So once we get a little bit closer, I will come back to you. We've just parked in this little car park in Thirlmere, and it is called Legberthwaite car park. It is £4 for 5 hours, £8 for 9 hours and £12 for 14 hours. And the tickets on these, which is really good, are transferable across all of the United Utilities car parks, so it's not too bad really. No camping, no overnight vehicles, and I feel like a salesperson for United Utilities. So I'm off now, and we will speak to you soon. Ta-ta.
Right, so we set off from the car park, and this is where we've mountains round us, and we're heading over the road. There is some free parking at the top of this road if people don't want to use the car park, but I just feel like I like to put something back into the area. We take a lot out, so yes, onwards and upwards.
So we've just walked up from the car park, and of course the Hobbit wants to just butt in. No, you're all right. Continue. No, just continue.
No, I'm not telling you now.
No, you need to. You need to. Yeah.
Stop it!
Well, it's an absolute glorious day for it. We're going up there, I think, Mr. Hobbit said.
Yeah.
And
We're up the fire road, not the normal path.
but we're going up the fire road. So yeah, good day for a good walk. Look at him. It's not worse than people tippy-tappying and doing silly things with a walking sticks or poles or whatever you want to call them. I think the Hobbit's quite happy today. It is, it's a lovely little campsite. Yes. So, don't know what it's called. High something or other. We'll see when we get there. But there's a campsite for tents and caravans. Seems like it's all part of this farm. And it is actually. Bridgend Farm, this is. And there is somebody up on hill, no mates. Keeping at it way, can't say I blame him. I'll swizz you around so you can see. It's quite a nice campsite. Billy Nomates up there, look. But yeah, it's quite a nice little site. Worth knowing. Tents and Torah's welcome. And it's all good. All good indeed. So onwards and upwards. Once we start climbing, I'll come back to you. It's just great to be back up here again. Absolutely love this neck of woods. Makes you feel alive. I'll catch up with you in a bit.
So we're heading up there, up Raven Crag, walking towards the dam. Just thought I'd try my little camera out whilst walking. Spin round. There's your free parking at the side of the road, and the little road down the middle, 100 yards, electric car park where we were. So yeah, what a lovely, lovely day. Very, very windy. So I'm probably going to get a lot of wind noise because I've not got any fancy wind baffles. And Mrs. B's leaving me. Or the wife, as she don't like being called. Right, catch up with you in a bit. So that's where we're heading, to the top of there. I believe we're going to cross the dam, walk down this little road away and get on the path somewhere down there and work his way up. There is a more direct route. I just fancy going on the longer route. Saw another YouTuber doing it and the views looked amazing. So let's see how it all goes.
So we have just got to the dam, and all I can say is, how wonderful is this? What a beauty, 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 beauty. What a beautiful walk, I've got to say. We've not started climbing yet. I might not say that when I start climbing, but look at the sky. It's brilliant. We're going up there. Can't wait to go. And then we've got this stunning little bridge. And you probably won't be able to see the Hobbit because I've got an ND filter on, because it's very, very sunny today. So I've just been exposing for the lovely skies. So yeah, looking forward to, as I keep saying, I'm looking forward to going up there. I think I might be looking forward to it, to be perfectly honest with you. But yeah, absolutely beautiful.
So here we are looking down the reservoir. This is just beautiful. What a lovely morning. We couldn't have asked for better weather. And hopefully this one's not shaking, nowhere near as bad as the Hero 4 did. Yeah, this is just lovely. Down into the darkness from where we've come, and Mrs. B up there filming away as well. Filming me, filming you. This little building's just hidden away, so I'm guessing it's something to do with the reservoir. But yes, rather impressive building. Gates are locked, so can't get in. Nothing to say what it's for or about, but yeah, rather stunning.
So we've just passed what looked like a little castle. Well, it clearly wasn't. It was part of the Manchester Corporation Waterworks. You can always have a read of that if you want, which is part of the North West Water United Utilities.
So, the start of the climb begins. All the smiles and happiness will slowly get sucked out of it. No, it won't, only kidding. Are you looking forward to this? It's very bright and you're very blown out, but not to worry. So, here we go, onwards and upwards. So just walking up the woodland track. There's Ravens Crag in front of us. There's Mrs B flying up right Linford Christie. Not. And neither am I. She's having a rest, I don't blame her. So yeah, walking through this woodland, it's quite nice getting a bit of shade. What a lovely, lovely day.
So it's quite a big climb up. Not as big as if we were taking normal route. But when you turn around and look back, yet again, it doesn't disappoint at all. Absolutely spot on. What a beautiful, beautiful day. Right, we'll try that again with gimbal in right place. I think I'll point you to the sky, which that's not right cracky, is it? That's as I was saying. As you turn round, after a bit of a climb up, hopefully the mist will clear. Still climbing. Perfect.
On top of the world. Wow.
Well, we do have some jets coming in. Hopefully the Hobbit will get them, because I won't. But what I was going to show you is this is a cracking place for a little bit of a wild camp. As the Hobbit says, the view from there is amazing, which no doubt you will see, and it's worth a look. But he'll have videoed it, so we'll show you on his video. Yeah. He's very happy. He's very, very happy, bless him. So yeah, somebody's had a bit of a fire here, which is not good, chaps. You know, save the countryside and all that. Absolutely not good at all. There you see. Now, naughty boys and girls, no fires.
Leave no trace.
Leave no trace. Come on, guys.
Top of the world, and it looks to be possibly plane coming in. Incoming! Just amazing. How lucky have we been? Well spotted, Mrs. B.
So the path goes down into the forest and then up the other side. And there's the Hobbit. It's been an absolutely great walk so far. You've probably heard us say that lots today, but it is definitely one that's worth doing.
Walking down the street, doing funniest kicks for everyone we meet.
The monkeys.
Wow. Just wow. So we have come quite a long way back down this track, and we're still going down to this corner. I suppose really it's a compromise between going up the steep, narrow, rough path or staying on this lovely forestry path. You have to make that call yourself. So we have come down a long way to go back up, but it is easy underfoot. I'll let you know when we turn the corner. We may regret this, but it has been lovely and it is nice to be in the woods in the shade. So let's see what the corner brings.
So we're just on to the last pull up. The Hobbit's gone out looking for water, and it sounds like it were a waste of time. Some camping spots over there, and he's looking for me. He's here. So if you come in here, fetch plenty of water with you, because there's not many water sources.
We'll find somewhere. Can't do much better than this for having your dinner, can you? Spot on. The view from the top of Ravens Crag.
We are coming down the more direct route, what most people use, rather than the fire route. But we're just going to come down the first bit and then we'll join the fire route and continue on there. It is quite gnarly underfoot, which I will show you now. There you go, as you can see. So be very careful if you're coming up or going down this way. But it's been absolutely brilliant, I've got to say. It's one of the best walks I've done in a long while. So by the time we've done it's probably around 6.5 mile-ish there and back. So it's a nice little stroll. Anyway, we'll carry on. So we're back down from that steep bit and we're back down onto the fire route now, which is much nicer underfoot. So I would recommend doing that, going down just that one, and if you are going to go down it, make sure you take some poles with you because it's very, very slippy underfoot. Or if you're a young, fit antelope, you'd be great. But we're small, fat hobbits with little legs.
Here we are at the end of our walk of Raven Crag. Raven Crag may not be the tallest fell in the Lake District, but its dramatic cliffs and stunning views make it a memorable hike. Alfred Wainwright captured its rugged charm perfectly, and reaching the summit rewards you with sweeping vistas over Thirlmere and beyond. One of the unique features of this walk is the fire road approach, which is what we took, which provides a relatively easy and well-maintained route through the lower woodland. It offers a gradual ascent, making the hike accessible for those who prefer a steadier climb before tackling the steeper sections leading to the crag. The fire road also adds an interesting contrast to the ruggedness of the fell, offering a peaceful and scenic start to the adventure. So whether you're a seasoned hiker or just starting out, Raven Crag offers the perfect mix of natural beauty, ease of access and adventure. Thanks for joining us on this journey today. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more hiking tips and outdoor adventures. Until next time, happy hiking.